DocComment AI is a game-changing software, and if you're someone who creates or manages content, you need to know about it. In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about DocComment AI, why it's one of the best AI tools just released, and why it's quickly gaining traction in the digital marketing world. Right off the bat, DocComment AI is designed to streamline your content creation process, using AI to assist with writing, editing, and optimizing documents in ways that will save you hours. It's more than just a simple text editor. It brings AI-driven suggestions that can elevate your content, whether you're crafting blog posts, emails, or even complex reports. If you're someone looking to boost your productivity and cut down on time-consuming tasks, this tool is definitely worth exploring. Now, the best part? You can try DocComment AI completely free. Check out the first link in the description to get started. But don't click away yet, because I'm about to dive into the features that make this software a must-have for content creators. One of the standout features of DocComment AI is its natural language processing capabilities. It understands context and tone, which means it doesn't just correct grammar or spelling, but also suggests improvements that make your writing sound more professional. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only proofreads your work, but also gives actionable feedback to improve your writing on a deeper level. That's exactly what DocComment AI does. Another big advantage is the seamless integration it offers with your workflow. Whether you're working in Google Docs, Word, or even some project management platforms, DocComment AI fits right into your existing tools, enhancing your workflow without requiring any major changes to how you work. In terms of speed, DocComment AI is incredibly fast. It doesn't matter if you're writing a quick email or a full-length blog post. The AI analyzes your text and makes suggestions within seconds. That's crucial in today's fast-paced digital environment, where time is money and efficiency is key. One of the things that makes DocComment AI stand out from other tools on the market is its ability to generate relevant keywords and content ideas based on your input. This means if you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner looking to optimize for SEO, DocComment AI can help you identify trending keywords, topics, and phrases that will help you rank better. But that's not all. This AI software also has the ability to adapt to different writing styles. So whether you need to write in a formal, casual, or persuasive tone, DocComment AI learns from your preferences and suggests improvements tailored to the specific style you're aiming for. It's a true example of AI customization at work, offering personalization that makes your content resonate with your audience. DocComment AI doesn't just stop at content creation, it also helps with improving clarity, readability, and structure, making sure your message is as effective as possible. For businesses looking to communicate with their audience clearly and professionally, this is a huge advantage. It takes the guesswork out of crafting the perfect message. And here's something you might find surprising. DocComment AI isn't just for writing, it's also useful for managing feedback and comments. Whether you're collaborating with a team or responding to customer feedback, this software lets you easily organize and manage your communication in a way that keeps everyone on the same page. In conclusion, DocComment AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their writing, streamline their content creation process, and enhance productivity. Whether you're a freelancer, marketer, or business owner, this tool has everything you need to create high-quality content more efficiently. If you want to see for yourself what makes DocComment AI stand out, try it for free with the link in the description below. And remember, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled my top recommendations for you, which you can check out in the description as well.